So this is how you do things in Pakistan. We're in a rickshaw, just driving around, and we were able to stop in the middle of the highway to just basically take beautiful pictures and record a video. Don't look too sleepy today.
We are up bright and early to sign. We are out at the door and it's 7:26, already en route to the Delhi gate to meet our tour guide.
Yeah.
Off to a great start.
Yes, so yesterday when we went around Lahore Fort, our lovely tour guide Anjum said that he would take us around early morning before the tourists get there and show us the sights when they're quiet. So that's what we're going to see.
And hopefully we'll be able to get some sick drone shots and go up the tower in the Wazir Mosque?
Yeah, Wazir Mosque is going to take us up kind of high up where we can fly the drone, take some epic pictures.
Which you're not normally meant to do, by the way.
Yes.
Contacts. So we've made it to Delhi Gate. The gate actually faces towards Delhi in India, hence its name. So we've made it to the Wazir Khan Masjid, guys.
We have indeed.
And our tour guide is just having a chat with the worker that lives here to see if we can get one of the towers, because we are like 50 minutes late. We should have been here at 7 a.m. But you know, because it's Pakistani timing, we arrived at 7:52, which I don't think is too bad considering.
Yeah, I don't think so. So some facts about this mosque. It was built in the 1600s during the Shah Jahan era, and it took 7 years to complete in total. And all this work that's going on here, so Norwegian government is basically doing all the restoration work to basically bring it back to its former glory.
This portion is almost restored and the other side is going to restore. And then they made like these tiles.
Ah, okay.
You see, inch by inch they are restoring here, and those are also, it took about I think 15 days to complete here.
Wow. Guys, we did not make it up to the tower because we were late. However, we've got plan B. We're going to go across the street and fly a drone from there, so it's not the end of the world.
People here are very friendly, very innocent and hospitable.
Yeah.
You see, everybody, the social system is very strong in the old cities here. This is the tradition of the old city.
Yeah.
To be very helpful, curious, see the foreigner, welcoming, smiling face. Oh, this is oven, you see?
Wow.
You send the chapati, and this is very good for the winter.
Oh, yeah. Oh. So we've just stopped off midway through our morning tour to have a bit of traditional breakfast in what is the most local place that you could really get. So what we've got here is a bit of freshly churned butter, a bit of sugar. We're going to get some naan to have this with, and also some chana as well. So some chickpea curry. You know what, I'm absolutely starving right now. It's going to be great. Top it off, we'll have some lassi as well. So.
Over there they are sharpening the knife. Just have a quick look.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Now our tour guide is taking us through to the back streets of Lahore to show us where the Germans have helped preserve some of the historical buildings here in Lahore.
Everything around here, so they are giving the numbers here.
Wow, so you got the German.
Oh, okay. Very narrow streets. We're in the Hamam, which is at the entrance of one of the gates in the Lahore city. So the idea was people would come in after long journeys. They would come into the Hamam, freshen up, rest for a bit, clean up, and then make their way into the actual city. So they're presentable and they look nice and stuff. It's a really good idea.
So this is literally just outside the oldest spice market in the world.
Yeah.
Which
7 kilometers long.
Yeah.
Selling all kinds of different
spices, from turmeric to chili powder to tomato powder to
all kinds of different spices.
the first more some guys.
Right here.
I was stuck on that corner. I found this person on this corner.
We could hear each other loud and clear. Even though we stood behind each other, but it's like proper clear, isn't it?
iPhone speaker ain't got nothing on this. Where were
That is amazing.
You heard me?
Yeah.
It traveled diagonal like this. You see?
Right.
So this is the first mobile phone system.
So from this corner
Yeah.
That corner.
Yeah, that corner.
to that corner.
How did I even know this stuff? Like,
This Turkish architect, Mimar Sinan, he introduced this one. In Badshahi Masjid, there is a 6 kind of different sound system. Oh, there's only one here, but in the Badshahi Masjid, you can experience for the nose, for the mouth, for the throat, for the ear, for the back head. As I told you, from top to head, this is just for the alphabet of the Quran, to beautify the sound of Quran and Azan. Those were the practicing point for the students. Still working.
Right, wow.
Badshahi Mosque.
So these guys are the 3 ovens.
which boils the water for the hammam.
Yeah. The steam.
Look how big they are.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see that. But basically you have the ovens underneath here. We've got the water level right here. The hot water used to come to the top and the steam used to pass through the pipes going into the steam room, giving you a nice, lovely hammam. You like a Turkish bath right now?
I did.
I know.
Another one.
Yeah, let's see if we can find one somewhere.
This tobacco.
Oh, that's all tobacco.
It's all tobacco produced in Pakistan. Say.
Oh, okay.
And this is for the whole day. This is a moving, you know. This is a moving, so everybody can
okay,
drink.
yeah, so share.
Every guest can drink.
Yeah.
This is a walnut skin.
Okay.
This is especially for the lady, the cheap a little bit to make the burush clean. It is very useful for the gum. It is antiseptic, antibiotic.
Oh, it's a toothbrush, isn't
It's
it?
very very good, and women mostly in the village use just to redden the lips and clean the teeth.
Yeah.
So we're just walking through the spice market right now. It's just like gone 10:30 and they're starting to open up now, but in the morning you can see, you can see all the spices all lined up everywhere. You can really smell it, the really different aromas of the spice market. You can smell it right now, so it's absolutely beautiful. Lovely, lovely smell. Right, fasten your seatbelts. How you do things in Pakistan. We're in a rickshaw just driving around, and we were able to stop in the middle of the highway to just basically take beautiful pictures and record a video. So if you look on one side here, we have the Badsha Mosque, Minar-e-Pakistan, the minaret of Pakistan, and the beautiful gardens. So we're back at the food street.
Third
now.
time looking now, right?
Third time. But what we're doing is we're going into Haveli restaurant first, go to the roof terrace, have a cup of chai and get some drone footage into Badsha Mosque back there.
Because you're not allowed to take your drone inside, but
But-
you can fly the drone from outside,
Yeah,
which
so
is completely legal.
yeah.
Fan is just taking some beautiful drone shots of this place. Oh my god, they are stunning.
So what we have to do, just try to breathe out from the nose without opening the mouth like this. It looks like a resonance here, you see? Lot of noise.
Oh my god.
Breathing out. Very good. Did it?
Oh my god.
Even I can talk with you. For example, I say my name is Anjum. You are welcome to the mosque. I hope you enjoy the tour. Look, my name is Anjum. Second.
Oh my god.
Yes, yeah, you're improving.
Do it again, everyone.
You did. Very few people do for the first time here. You see?
I think because in Tajweed they teach you from
Yes,
about
this is for the Rhine.
Rhine. Yeah.
In the corridor, more interesting system, difference.
Okay.
Let's go.
That's
there.
really
You know, Stadia Local book, Lonely Planet, tourism book about Pakistan. They took the photo from the other side for their title page.
Oh really?
Yeah, I want to show you that. Please.
Do what did you do?
That was really amazing. So you sit down and you kind of breathe, but rather than breathe out from your mouth, you breathe out from the kind of throat, the bottom half of the throat.
And you can feel
the
the-
noise echoes. You can feel the vibrations in your back, and you can even talk.
The good vibrations.
The
It's all about
vibrations.
good vibes and the good life and the vibes. What he said was that tower there, that it used to be open to the public, but people were committing suicide, so they've closed it now.
Wow, that's
You're making TikTok. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It seems that you are speaking in a mic and your sound will around your face.
right here. Oh, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah, wow.
Like a mic.
Yeah, is this
Only
one
you
the
can
mic?
feel. We can see expression, impression. You can feel here. We can listen to your song.
Yeah,
You please stand there.
it's just like you know when you're speaking in a mic.
It cannot be recorded.
You can't. Yeah.
Can't be recorded,
Yeah.
okay.
Hello, Mr. Fan. How are you? This is so amazing here. You see the sound system here?
Yeah, it's like he stood behind me.
Yes, then. Because when I speak here, you know, my sound travel upward and then strike from here and then enter from your right and left. You ma'am, I hope you did enjoy the tour. This is very amazing sound system here. It's coming from the other side. See this one. What would I do like this, you see? You serve two and one. If you say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, when you up and down your song, he will up and down your song. It will up and down your song. For example, you see this one. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Must up and down your song. You will enjoy that very much. Like a kirat, you know?
Oh, like the Qira'ah. Okay.
Yeah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
You see the magic?
It's like up,
Bouncing
Yeah.
and up and down, two and once.
Yeah.
He was actually praying here. It's like,
Yes.
it's like meditation.
Yeah.
It's like
Just for meditation, thinking, because at that time there was a calm and quiet, not pollution like this. There was a river and jungle and more effect here.
Yeah, you would be able to stay here.
Actually now they reduce the system by putting plaster, cement and whitewash, everything. This disturbs the system.
Oh,
Otherwise, you have very amazing systems here.
By going into one of these gates here, which saved us about 40 to 45 minutes instead of walking all the way around, going to the main gate, which is about that side. So it defo pays if you have a tour guide, because they can literally just sneak you in with one of the guards.
Yep.
And
you don't need to, you know, wait in the queues, and you can take your camera equipment in and don't have to worry about things.
We've got our drone in there, we've got our camera, we've got drone shots of Badsha Mosque today.
Today has been epic.
Today's been a successful day.
Yep.
And it definitely pays to go early in the morning.
Early in the morning, get a tour guide.
Nice and quiet.
Two things, definitely.
Oh my gosh, we have just made it. 4th checkpoint.
There was a four checkpoints?
We have made it to the border, guys. We have done it.